Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the ceramic valve, the one that you see right here. This was leaking. You can see some water damage over here and some signs of leakage around the whole thing. So we had to replace that one. This one takes care of sending water to the brew unit and into the spouts of the machine. Once we have water flow over there, we find out that the carafe was actually having trouble pushing water, and that was because this little guy over here was overheating, and whenever they overheat, they basically don't push water the way they're supposed to. So it was having troubles with both the steam, the hot water one steam, and the carafe itself. So starting one cappuccino, we're gonna test this machine out. That way we test the carafe and the. Give me 1 second. Forgot to put beans. Be right back. Okay, now we have beans on the machine. Blah. Let's redo that again by doing a cappuccino. That way we'll be testing the carafe functions of the machine, these pumps functions of the machine, and then we can move on into the steam and the hot water. We are using milk cleaner, so we're gonna still be able to see a froth, but fortunately we do not have milk. Thermal block is warming up. Once it warms up, the little water pump will start being activated, and will siphon water from the carafe into the cup, as you see right now. Nice foam coming out of the machine. Looking good. I'm gonna stop it right there as my cup is not that big. Nice self-cleaning cycle at the end. Looking great. We're gonna be waiting for the extraction of the coffee that we just grinded. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color. No leaks coming out or anything. Looking great. Gonna manually stop it over here as my cup is not that big. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of both the carafe as well as the spouts of the machine. Now we're gonna move into the hot water one. That should start getting warm up the thermal block. And as you can see, steady stream, excellent temperature. Ow, burning my hand right there, working really great. Now we're gonna test the steam. As always, the steam is going to take a little bit as this water pump needs to push water from the thermal block, steam thermal block, into the valves over here that are located into the side of the machine, and then into the spout of into the water. Once it does that, you're going to see a bunch of pressure coming out just like this. And as you can see, this machine is steaming great. Really wonderful pressure coming out of the steam one, working excellent. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content today, and thanks for watching.